Hey, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading? Let's get started. Whether you're a complete newbie or you've dabbled in stocks before, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the basics. We're talking building a solid foundation, understanding the lingo, and making smart moves in the market. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, giving you the knowledge and confidence to start your trading journey on the right foot. So buckle up and get ready to take control of your financial future. First things first, we got to learn the language of the market. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Stocks are pieces of ownership in big companies. Bonds are loans to the government or companies. Options give you the right to buy or sell at a specific price. Futures are contracts to buy or sell assets later. ETFs are baskets of stocks. Know what you're buying before you buy it. The stock market is where stocks are traded. Forex is where currencies are exchanged. Commodities include oil and gold. Each market has its own quirks. Buying and selling, that's what it's all about. When you buy, you hope the price goes up. When you sell, you hope it goes down. See, we're talking the talk already. Listen, in the world of trading, knowledge is king. You've got to be smarter than the average bear, and that means hitting the books. Don't worry, I've got your reading list right here. First up, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. This classic will teach you about market efficiency and why index funds can be your best friend. Next, we're diving into The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. This book will teach you how to find undervalued companies. And for a glimpse into the minds of the greats, check out Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. You'll learn from the best traders in the world. But hey, reading isn't the only way to learn. We're living in the digital age, folks. Head over to Coursera, Udemy or Khan Academy for some killer courses on trading and financial markets. And don't forget to stay up to date on financial news with Bloomberg, CNBC and Reuters. Knowledge is power, people. Use it. All right, now that you're fluent in market lingo and have some knowledge under your belt, it's time to find your trading style. Think of it like dancing. You've got to find a rhythm that suits you. First up, we got day trading. This is for the adrenaline junkies, the ones who love fast-paced action. We're talking multiple trades in a single day, getting in and out quickly. But be warned, this is not for the faint of heart. Next, we have swing trading. This is more of a relaxed groove, holding positions for a few days or weeks, riding the waves of market swings. Less stressful than day trading, but still requires attention. Now, if you're the patient type, position trading might be your jam. We're talking months, even years, holding on to those positions for the long haul. This is about identifying long-term trends and riding them to the bank. Finally, we have scalping. This is for the true gunslingers, the ones with lightning-fast reflexes. We're talking super short-term trades, minutes, even seconds. High risk, high reward. Not for beginners, that's for sure. Listen up, folks, this is crucial. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need a plan. Think of it like a roadmap to success. First things first, define your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to lose on a trade? Don't ever invest more than you can afford to kiss goodbye. This is serious business, people. Next, you got to set your entry and exit points. When do you buy? When do you sell? Don't just wing it, have a plan. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever your strategy, stick to it. Speaking of strategy, backtesting is your best friend. Test your strategy on historical data, see if it holds up. Don't be afraid to tweak it, refine it, make it bulletproof. Remember, a trading plan is your North Star. It keeps you grounded, disciplined, and focused on your goals. Don't even think about trading without one. All right, so you've got the basics down. You've chosen your trading style. You've got your plan in place. Now it's time to put your skills to the test without risking a single penny. That's right, I'm talking about demo accounts. Think of it like training wheels for traders. Many brokers offer these bad boys, and they're a game changer. You get to trade with virtual money, experiencing the thrill of the market without the risk. This is your chance to get comfortable with the trading platform, to test your strategies, to make mistakes and learn from them, all without losing your shirt. It's like a free education, folks. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try different approaches, to see what works best for you. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And when you're ready to enter the real market, you'll be armed and dangerous. Now, choosing a broker is like choosing a wingman. You want someone reliable, trustworthy, and who's got your back. First and foremost, check those fees. Low commissions, minimal spreads, we're talking about keeping more of your hard-earned money. Don't let those fees eat into your profits. Next up, customer service. You want a broker that's there for you when the market goes haywire, not some automated system that leaves you hanging. Look for responsive support, helpful resources, and a smooth trading experience. And don't forget about the trading platform. This is your command center, people. You want a platform that's user-friendly, reliable, and packed with the tools you need to succeed. Charting tools, technical indicators, real-time data, the works. Finally, make sure your broker is regulated by a reputable financial authority. You don't want to end up with a fly-by-night operation that disappears with your money. Do your due diligence, people. It's your money on the line. All right, so you're ready to dive into the real market? Hold your horses, cowboy. Remember, start small. We're not talking about getting rich quick. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Begin with a small amount of capital, an amount you can afford to lose without breaking a sweat. This is about gaining experience, learning the ropes, and building your confidence. As you start racking up wins and getting a feel for the market, you can gradually increase your investment size. But remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Greed is a dangerous game, my friend. Think of it like building a house. You start with a solid foundation and slowly add bricks, one by one. Don't get ahead of yourself, stay disciplined, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. Listen up, traders, the learning never stops. If you want to be at the top of your game, you've got to constantly analyze your performance and find ways to improve. First things first, keep a trading journal. This is your personal playbook, your record of every trade you make. Write down your entry and exit points, your rationale for each trade, and the outcome. This is invaluable data that will help you identify patterns and improve your decision-making. Next, review your performance regularly. Take a step back and analyze your wins and losses. What worked well? What could you have done better? Don't be afraid to be critical of yourself. It's the only way to grow. And finally, stay informed. The market is constantly evolving, so you've got to stay ahead of the curve. Keep learning about new strategies, new tools, and new trends. Read books, attend webinars, follow industry experts, and never stop expanding your knowledge. Hey, trading can be a lonely game, but it doesn't have to be. Joining a trading community is like having a pit crew in the Indianapolis 500. You've got a team of people supporting you, sharing insights, and helping you cross the finish line. Online forums, social media groups, local meetups. There are tons of ways to connect with fellow traders. Don't be shy. Jump in and introduce yourself. You'll be surprised how welcoming and supportive these communities can be. Think of it like a brainstorming session for your trading strategies. You can bounce ideas off each other, get feedback on your trades, and learn from the experiences of others. Plus, it's a great way to stay motivated and avoid the isolation that can come with trading. Remember, two heads are better than one. And in the world of trading, having a network of like-minded individuals can make all the difference. All right, folks, this is the most important lesson of all. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about making consistent, disciplined decisions over the long haul. The market is going to test you. It's going to throw curveballs. It's going to make you doubt yourself. But you've got to stay strong. You've got to stick to your plan, and you've got to ride out the storm. Emotions are your worst enemy in trading. Fear, greed, hope. They can all cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. That's why it's crucial to have a plan and to stick to it, no matter what. Remember, every trader experiences losses. It's part of the game. The key is to learn from your mistakes, to manage your risk, and to stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't let a few bad trades throw you off course. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. There you have it, folks. The roadmap to becoming a master trader. Remember, knowledge is power, discipline is key, and patience is a virtue. By following these steps and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can develop the skills and knowledge needed to become a successful trader. Now go out there, make smart moves, and take control of your financial future.